mawungashela umuzi uzocela kubane ibhakede lamanzi ukuthi akucishise ongamazi umakhelwane. It starts with you.
Okay.
Umuthi awuna inkinga because uyimvele kuyafana netiye esiliphuzayo like your rooibos tea isihlahla liyikhambi isuka iba nobungozi mangabe khona abantu abayitwistayo kuya ngenkulumo yomuntu ukuthi yena usebenzisa ukwenza ini emntwini like eyenza ububi. Yes, but all in all I can say ukuthi abantu basabani amanzi ayimpilo amanzi they're next to God. Amanzi are godly because umuntu noma akusebenzela umuthi mhlambe ethu uyakuthakatha noma uphambanisela izinto mawuya emanzini mangikhuluma ngamanzi angikhulumi ngamanzi asepompini ane fluoride anama chemicals ngikhuluma ngamanzi wemvelo like imifula iziziba impophoma into ezikanjalo.
Sinibingelele sinamukele ohlelweni lethu le Echo Point TV sibiza ngokuthi The Call lo bingelelayo ke uXolani Mfwambatha uShadi Mthiya uShoti uMatendana isiqhamsodidla Madlebo kaNogwatshoza Igcololo umdidi Dadakho Dakhelo Ocathu babukeli beEcho Point TV njengoba nasi ukuthi kuyabaleka ukuthi nisubscribe ulike comment ukuze lokho kukubeka emathubeni ukuthi ukwazi ukuthola amanye episode alandelayo sibe yilunga lomndeni uhlale nathi njengoba wazi ke mbukeli ukuthi ke ubuhlalo obuhle buhamba ngabili. Namhlanje futhi angihambi ngedwa ngiphethe usisi wami okwazile ukuthi azivakashele studio azosibingelela bese kwazi ukuthi azosilethela uvu akeze nalo la cha nje uhlale nathi sihlale nawe sikuphudla kwendlebe. Sisi wami sibingelele ohlelweni lethu le Echo Point TV esibiza ngokuthi The Call.
Ngithokozani.
Thokoza gogo namba ababukeli be Echo Point TV njengoba uzivakashelile ngizocela ukuthi nje usho ukuthi ubani uqhamukapi kuze bekwazi ukuthi bebe nesithombe bese sigena odabeni.
Okay. Thokozani namaste emakhosini. Imina ngwaharisi wa William wa Mayayise wa Xikwalakwala xa Matsema wa Xikobela xa Xigombe wa Matsena wa Bangwani wa Xinyori xa Humba xa Kangatela eridzeni ku khandza achavi ichava mahika mumu wa tolo xisaka xa ximfi xinyori wa malwani hi va ka Xikobela loko hi tiphata yi ri Xikobela Xigombe you should say Xigombe Xigombe can you help me with that Xikobela Xigombe
suka uzwile mbukeli ongazwanga angazi ngabe akazi kuthiwa Xikobela Xigombe suka ngasho ngize ngiqede kodwa ngoba isikhathi asingivumela ukuthi ngiqale phansi ngisho hayi sizoyibamba lapho. Siyabonga gogo siyathokoza kakhulu siyakwamukela ke futhi ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ke uze nokudla kwendlebe kubabukeli bethu. So esingasho nje ukuthi before siqhubeke nodaba mhlambe gogo kulolu bizo lakho esihlehle nje emumva before nje ufike ukuthi usebenza kanjani ubhizi ngani njengamanje ake siqale nje emumva sithi mhlambe ukhule umuntu onjani nathi nje into engifuna ukuyiqala ukuyazi ngawo ukuthi ungakayithathi lento oyiphethe kodwa uqale iphi ubumuntu onjani.
Okay. Ngicale ngumntwana inquisitive a lot uthanda ukuyivalela oquiet ngithanda ubuthongo ngingazi ukuthi yini lengikhathazayo kakhulu kodwa bengithanda isikolo.
Okay.
Whereby ngakhula up until high school then ngalandela i-calling yami ngathwasa year 2008 this year I'll be making 18 years ngiyinyanga ngiyathwasisa ngumelaphi wendabuko. I'm involved in a lot of projects. Yes, and then ubizo it's something that is sacred. Into ozalwa nayo that's what I've discovered. Okay. Because there's a lot of scenarios around it but one umuntu mele azazi but engakusho kakhulu engikuthandayo kakhulu ukuthi kuhlangene kakhulu nesintu usibuyisela emasisweni like mele umazi umuntu uhloniphe uthobe bese uyathandaza. We pray a lot, we get misunderstood a lot because bacanga ukuthi bas associate nokuthwala bas associate nokuthakathi whereas we know that's not true. Siyathandaza kakhulu siyakhuleka umdali nomveli inqandi siyamazi kakhulu. Yebo kodwa
yebo manje gogo mawuthi uyathwasisa
meaning
ugobela futhi. Okay. ngaphambi kokube uthwasise ube ugobela ukusuka kwakho nje ukuthi ubumntwana uthatha ubuthongo lento lena kukhona nowasemndenini owayincela kuye oweyiyo noma mhlambe wena kwavele kwayivukela kodwa la ngifuna ukuthi uyinabise khona ukuze inginike isithombe njengami engingakaze ngibe ugobela futhi anginawo amandla okuthwasisa kodwa ngifuna umnike umqondo ukuthi yiziphi impawu ezakubonisa ukuthi awu kahle kahle mina ngugogo mina iziphi impawu kwenzakalani ukhula wawukhala wawufeyita nje esikoleni kwakuphazamisa nje unginabele lapho
ngisho kancane ukuthi yeye angiphazamisa esikoleni ngadiagnose ngama-fits kuthiwa historical seizures ngaphuza amapilisi for almost 4 years and nothing happened still kanti I'm going into a trance meaning ngiphathwa ngivuka amakhehla ngiphethwe izalukazi nabogogo
okay ngiyaxolisa gogo ukuvimba esikoleni wawusafunda grade bani lapho
ngangise high school
yakufike high school
yangifice high school yes
from a primary
primary nothing
right.
Yes
okay yebo
and then what I can say yebo kukhona mandulo umuntu wayeyisangoma on my case ngoba ngingane ezalelwe emshadweni on both sides kabo mama there is abantu bebathwasile kabo baba there is abantu bebethwasile so kuhamba bayabanga lamadlozi so kumele uthole umuntu okwazi ukwahlalisa kahle awatshele kahle ukuthi hayi musani kubanga ingane ayali lutho iyavuma and ekuvumeni kwami I broke like a lot of generational curses because my siblings they were well educated behleli nama diploma but they were bebangathola umsebenzi odecent. For instance my sister has a bachelor in communications but bekasebenza just year Celsi the bekusasa ama container we Celsi
yes
uhleli namajazi neziqu zamajazi but usebenza umsebenzi ongatheshu kodwa ngoba ithonga likhona ngithe mangiqeda ukuphothula wonke umuntu wathola umsebenzi mysterically sengisho ngamanye amagama ukuthwasa kukaningi kuhlukene iphiwe ezihlukene ungathwasa kodwa ungalaphi ungathwasa ungathwasisi ungathwasa ukulungisa ama generational curses ayenzwe abokhokho nabokhokho omkhulu bethu
oh okay ukuthwasa kuhlukene kaningi kahle
kuhlukene kaningi isiphiwo nje ozalwa naso which you have to identify ukuthi lo gogo mayekeza kuwe uze ngani noma leli khehla lize ngani
so while kwenzeka lokho ukuthi uwe esikoleni ufeyite ikuphazamise lento abazali bakho babe responsible kuwe noma
yes they did mama may wayisukumela kakhulu baba at that time he was a bit anxious ezama ukuphika I don't know why but at the end ugcine evuma ebona ukuthi lento le umntana nami yahlukumezeka whereby I have even exhausted his medical aid I was still good medical aid I was undergoing tests and bangatholi lutho but mase ngiqala ngithatha amagobongo inkambi zesintu ngaba ingane eright yonke into impilo yabuyela to normal but engakusho ukuthi akubuyeli to normal per se because kunesikhathi sokuthi i-crowd iyakuhlula abantu abaningi nje bayakusinda ubona indaba zabantu you don't know how to regenerate that so you isolate yourself a lot yes
manje bakusa kumuntu wena gogo mhla uvuka lezi zinto noma bakulapha bona
abangisa kumuntu
lo muntu lona bahamba ngathini umuntu owavela kuwe emaphupheni noma umuntu
wavela ngamaphupho
wabatshela
ngabatshela yes
ngifuna ukuthi wena gogo usichaze isitori sakho sizwakala
ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaqala ngaya because I was working at the time I was a waitress Winnie Mandela restaurant Vilakazi Street so ngaya kuthiwa kunobaba oncedayo le ubaba Shongwe uDesmond Shongwe yebo ngaya at the first time ukufika kwami egate wangibiza ngegama leli ngiliphupha ngimbuza ukuthi ulazelaphi there's only one person I've told about that dream angaze ngatshela umuntu then it started making sense to me ngafikela lapha vele sengithatha umsebenzi wabogogo up until now this year is making 18 years ngithwasile ngiyinyanga ngiyawubona umsebenzi uyaqhubekela phambili nempilo iyashintsha kancane thokozana
lapha ekuthwaseni babe khona wabafica bethwa
bebekhona I think I was the 24th was 24 years ephehlweni yes
so igama lakho kwakubani lapha na ephehlweni
kwakunyoka yamanzi
namanje bakubiza
namanje ngonyoka yamanzi
leli gama ulithola kanjani kusokwenza kanjani usukufana nenyoka
noma it doesn't necessarily mean that it means water dancers meaning ngisebenza kakhulu ngamanzi ngisebenza kakhulu ngokuthandaza so by birth nemotsonga meaning ngi specialize ngokufemba which they call exorcism yes that is my main specialty but I do ezinye izinto. So njoba ngisho ukuthi siyaye sithathe neziqu sike sifunde sikhona ukuya phambili. Kunamanyuvesi awebelaphi bendabuko akhona. Whereby one of them, if I can mention, ukona ubaba uProfessor VVO owner Msamo Institute. Yes, ngiyacabanga abantu abaningi bayamazi. So here's one of our mentors uyasibonisa uyasigayida ukuthi umelaphi uziphatha kanjani, umelaphi wenza kanjani Thokozani.
So manje mawukhuluma ngamanzi, back to your words, mawukhuluma ngamanzi uthi usebenza ngamanzi. So amanzi awanabo nomgozi kumuntu ongathi mhlawumbe uyafisa ukuthi uzomsiza kodwa amanzi akazi ukuthi kwenzakalani.
I don't know the askisi kungena emlomeni ukuthi abantu basabani. Amanzi ayimpilo, amanzi they're next to God. Amanzi are godly because umuntu noma akusebenzela umuthi mhlambe ethu uyakuthakatha noma uphambanisela izinto. Mawuya emanzini mangikhuluma ngamanzi angikhulumi ngamanzi asepompini ane fluoride anama chemicals. Ngikhuluma ngamanzi wemvelo like imifula, iziziba, impophoma, into ezikanjalo zinempilo. Lento yokuthi uthi usabe ube novalo, it's normal. It meaning you connecta nabogogo nabomkhulu bakho, which is something that no one can explain per se, but into ekhona into eyenzakalayo Thokozani.
Manje amanzi ngoba phela kuyehlale abanumzane lapha emanzini esibeni. So nenza kanjani ukuthi ukwazi ukukhuluma nomnomzane ucommunicate ukuthi aphume phela noma asidedele singene, nenza kanjani leso simo?
I think first and foremost kumele uzazi, uzinze, uzile, ube clean because angeke ufike ukokota emzini womuntu ungena nezibi. Mele wena uyiclean eqala, uyihlanze eqala so that uzokhona ukuconnecta nomnomzane Thokozani.
Manje mawukuthi usho ukuzila mhlawumbe ukhuluma ngokuzila ungeke esithombeni.
Into ongazile into zomhlaba, izinto zomhlaba and certain foods like your dairy products, ufishi, ipork into ezikanjalo awuzidli mawuzoyimanzini.
Mangizoya khona
uyokusiza yes.
Okay, indaba zami
ziyavaleka. Not really per se but kunama rules and regulations around it, yes.
Manje ugogo yena noma sengingakafuna ukufika kulombuzo kodwa ngizothi ukuthi into bese ngiqhubeka kancane.
Okay.
Bengifuna ukuthi into after ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi njoba uthi usebenza ngamanzi and ngikubona ngathi wangincoma kakhulu anobuhle kakhulu amanzi ukuthi abantu bengawabalekile.
Yes.
Ona gogo umuthi unabo umuthi unomngozini yini angazi ngifuna ukuhlukanisa ukuthi umuthi u-wrong or u-right uma kuthiwa mhlawumbe uyosebenzisa nawo.
Umuthi awuna inkinga because uyimvele kuyafana netiye esiliphuzayo like your rooibos tea isihlahla liyikhambi isuka iba nobungozi mangabe khona abantu abayitwistayo kuya ngenkulumo yomuntu ukuthi yena usebenzisa ukwenza ini emntwini like eyenza ububi. Yes, but all in all I can say ikhambi liyimvelo like your made lemon, they're made out of guava leaves, which is isihlahla so guava, which is something that is normal that can help you cure you. Yes, into like kuneyinguli eziningi esibhedlela abangakhona ukuzilapha whereby ngekhambi uyakhona ukuthi ulapheke.
Ugogo yena uyasebenzisa umuthi uyalapha ngomuthi?
Ngiyawusebenzisa ngiyalapha ngomuthi.
Mhlawumbe gogo emthini oyithembayo othi mina mhlawumbe nje noma ungibalele ubuthungu mhlawumbe nje ubuthungu uthi nje cha mina uyabona mina ugogo ngiyawazi umuntu othile ngineshow ukuthi ngiyawusebenzisa futhi ngiyawenza uthungu nje ugaranta ukuthi
ngizobiza lenzima le engajwayelekile chichibunga nefembo elimnyama ungahlukani nazo uma umuntu umelaphi wendabuko.
Okay. Ichichi mhlawumbe mongochaza chichibunga
ngikwazi ukuchaza ngamanye amagama ngisho ukuthi mina angiyithaki imithi odlabalaleni because into ejulile kakhulu. Kodwa onolwazi onendlebe uzwile chichibunga nefembo elimnyama.
Omunye ke noma efuna ukuthi umazise kangcono uye kulandele mhlawumbe bese kubuza bese umtshela.
Yebo akunenkinga.
Ezinye izinto akumele ukuthi zibe phakathi kwabantu. Kusho ukuthi gogo nisaphethe kahle umthetho
umthetho weshoba siyawazi nesiyawuhlonipha futhi.
Bakithi siyabonga kuhle lokho ngoba abantu abaningi abasayilandeli imithetho.
TikTok yasimoshela.
So umuntu ofuna ukuqonda mhlawumbe ngingakhuluma ngomuntu gogo mhlawumbe engathi ungenwe abadala naye ukulendima okuyiyo kodwa kuse steps oqala ufuna ukuqonda ngalento okhuluma ngayo. Okanye gogo mhlawumbe umuntu ofuna ukusizakala kuwe ufuna ukuqonda Thokoza gogo. Ngifuna ukubuyela lapha nekutheni lapha Dr. Sakhona la uthi wafikela khona mhlawumbe lapha umzima obhekana nabo ngeke ngithi mhlambe uzobusufana nobuhle kodwa umzima obhekana nabo mawulapha kuleya ndawo ibuphi makuthiwa kuyathwaswa yini ukuthwasa ngoba mhlambe isikole siyazi ukuthi esikoleni othisha bayafundisa kuno principal kuno deputy kuno yini HR nawe lapha na kwenziwana lapha yini le yenziwa makuthiwa kuyothwasa.
Ngiyabonga uma uyibeka ngaleyo angle because it's one the same thing kusesikoleni but akulalwa one thing for sure akusekhaya ubuthongo awubazi. Ngangena iclient anytime you have to attend. Ngangena umuntu ogulayo you have to attend. There are things ongakaze wazenza kini like mhlambe ongakaze wazidla mhlambe nokubona igazi lembuzi mhlambe nokubona inkomo ihlinzwa phambi kwakho. So those are the things that may be a bit traumatic but kuyimvelo into eyenzokana semakhaya mhlambe makushonini mhlambe makunemsebenzi sithi sikhuphula abantu abadala kuyaye kuhlatshwe kuhlinzwe so ubuyela emasisweni kahle kahle and basically
okay
but engingakusho abathanda ubuthongo hayi akunabuthongo akulalwe ephehlweni
awu
akulalwe
manje mina makuthi gogo ekhaya ngijwayele ukulala and ngiyathanda ubuthongo
angeke uyithole ichance yokulala because uzobuzele lento izele uzofida ingulo yakho and umake sure ukuthi ufuna ukuphuma uphilile nawe uhambe uyophilisa abanye.
Kuyenzekana ukuthi ugcina ungasiqedanga uyayiqedanga yini process iprocess yakhona uba khona ababalekayo
khona ababalekayo but I think ababalekayo kaningi basuke kungasi indawo le abathunyele kuyo thola ukuthi imimoya iyashayisana meaning usagula loyo muntu usadinga ukulashwa
futhi moqedele ya process usuke qualified.
Empeleni ukuthwasa akupheli because every day it's a new learning curve. Ungathi uqedile kanti awuqedanga kusasa uvuke nephupho bathamba uye eMnambithi noma hamba uye eCape Town noma hamba uye eKilimanjaro. You have to follow that process. Because awazi ukuthi yini lekulindele lapha ya mhlawumbe bakubekela imiliyoni mhlawumbe bakubekela ijeep awazi ibona abazi into engayisho ukuthi into zabagogo nabomkhulu into ezemfihlakalo and into eziyisimanga kakhulu.
Okay wena gogo wathwasela kuphi?
Ngathwasela eMidlands Zone 6.
Khona la eGoli.
Yeah, khona la eGoli. Kodwa umuntu engamphupha umkhulu kaGobela wami which was in Swaziland emanzini eMbabane. So at that time I didn't even have a passport. I just wanted to get through and the process and then bengitshela ukuthi uyabuyela back to your normal life but no it doesn't.
So you
just learn to incorporate, you just learn to be more than.
Okay. So manje amathwaso usunawo vele manje nabantu osuba asebe
sebaqedile. Currently I do not have any initiates.
Yes. Indumba yakhe kuphi khona la?
Isekhaya yes. La ngihlala khona eSoweto, ngitholakala eSoweto.
Okay. Okay, ake siqhubeke gogo. Njengamanje ubusy ngani uwenzani manje?
Okay, njengamanje ngibusy neproject ethiwa abalaphi bendabuko whereby I'm a graphic and fashion designer there and first and foremost ngumelaphi bendabuko. I'm one of them, yes.
Okay. Umuthi uprofessional wemelaphi wendabuko usho ukuthi uregistered noma?
Yes, we are. The inhlangano it is registered. Meaning ilwane nezinto ezinegative ezenzakalayo like TikTok abahamba bakhipha amakhambi ajulile wesintu. So we're trying to revert back and sikhulume into ezikahle. For example, ukhona isangoma esiyingxenye sethu. There's someone who killed an innocent baby and then waya enyangeni wafika wathi ucela ukugezwa ingane iyamhlukumeza. And then one of us because she is one of us wa report wabiza amaphoyisa wathi nangu umuntu ubulele uthi ngizomgeza. Sengisho ukuthi uyabuyisela ithemba ngithina ukuthi sasekhona inyanga zeqiniso ezingaqola abantu. Yes.
Okay. So kule project othi gogo seninayo nibaningi vele ne group.
Sibaningi siyinqwaba impela. All it's umhlaba jikelele. It's all African countries and all provinces around South Africa. Yes.
Ngoba ukhuluma ngento ngami umuntu ongayazi.
Okay. Ngine selfie board like and I left it up so that you can see.
Oh yes, ayungasipha nami ke ngibone.
Chairperson wethu lo simbiza Dr. DM Khwanaze Nkwali Yenkosi.
Okay.
This is yes.
Olithi kuyaphezulu nje.
Exactly. Chairperson yethu lena Dr. DM Khwanaze simbiza Nkwali Yenkosi uyena one of the founders of this abalaphi bendabuko.
Okay. Abalaphi bendabuko base
Africa.
Okay, Gauteng branch le.
Yes, branch of Gauteng as I'm based here in Gauteng.
Okay, akhona amanye ama branch futhi akhona kwezinye indawo.
Akhona ama branch on in all 9 provinces.
Okay.
Yes.
So ni ngibona ngathi ugqoke iskipa umfanekiswano lo.
Iskipa uniform yethu lena ezenziwa yimina. ibhizo lesi sika Dr. Masichaba Cape Town imnikazi walesikipa
kumele sihambe
kumele sihambe
uyakhona ukuzidili Korea
we sells Korea via Pexi
ngizazi inhle yazi
siyabonga
asikhona ukuvuleka sibonakale kahle
siyakhona
sibuke sisihle impela
yeah
manje lesikipa lesigogo sithengwa umuntu wonke omlaphi
ojoinile ilona yethu inhlangano yethu yes
fanele ngiqale
ujoine inhlangano yethu
asimushe kumangivula
la lothu I'll have another package
kumele ngiqale ngijoyine inhlangano ngaphambi kokuba ngisiqoke
yes
ngicela ungibambela khona ababukeli bese sibona kahle ngifuna sigqame sihle cha sihle and ama golf t-shirt
yes and it's sublimated sublimation kusho ukuthi iskipa esifana nesebholo
yes
and it has your built-in vest so there's no need ukuthi ugcoke ivest phakathi siyawubamba umjuluko and then ine logo yethu inama giraffe meaning sibuyela esintwini
yes
isihlahla singaba ikhambi naso lesi kodwa angizela ngizokhuluma ngaso
cha hayi siyabonakala umsebenzi muhle kuyacaca ukuthi hayi kuyakhanya noma ungangibekeli yebo manje ukuze ujoyine la kubalekile ukujoyina mawumlapha kubalekile ukuthi
ujoyine yes kubalekile because izokulwela enteni ey'ntheni and then siyakhalisana futhi let's say khona umkhuhlwane oshonelwe and then we do donations so that sikhalisane nawe because ubunyanga phese abunamali because imali akusiyona yethu eyabogogo iney'dingo zayo zasemakhosini mangithi emakhosini ngisho indumba yes so we help each other
ngisathi ngisazobuza ukuthi mhlasimpe ama-benefit
yes anawo nama-benefits yes because there's a lot of things going which are wrong sekuthasisa iy'ngane ey'ncane whereby mawumncane I think under 18 you do not understand this whole process yini intwaso how would you take intwaso umncane there are things that you wanna do ufuna ukuyodlala nezinye iy'ngane ngapha ubhizi namabhayi nobuhlalo ney'phandla which doesn't look good yes
hayi cha kezwakala kule nhlangano ngathi ibalekile ukuthi uyijoyine cha umlaleli uzwile manje gogo uyayithathisa lento
lutho angiyazi nokuyazi angiyazi lento
usho gogo awuthathisi
lutho mina ngithwele ubukhosi bami ngithwele amandla bogogo nabomkhulu bami lokho kunye kwama-additional ayangikwazi
awukwazi futhi nje
angikwazi angifuni nje nokwazi angizibandanisi futhi nakho yes angikhulumi ngento engayazi
kodwa-ke mhlawumbe phela abantu bakho gogo abakulandelayo kakhulukazi amathwasa akho ngoba kuyenzeka ukuthi uyafisa ukukhuluma nawe kodwa kuba nzima ukuthi aqale yabona
ma uyingane yami hayi lutho bayazi bayangibiza baba bayakhuluma nami we even do it ngama-phone these days akusafani nakudala whereby bekumele ulinde umndeni uze uzokuvakashela so that ukwazi ukudlulisa umlayezo no it's not the same yeah we've turned modern nasi but we still go ey'ntabeni kakhulu siyajula ihlane siyalazi hayi into zako-TikTok thokozani
ngoba abantu abaningi gogo bayakhala uyabona nje namanje ngoba ukhuluma bazokubuza futhi ngile show yakho kuma-comment ukuthi manje ugogo akathathisi lento noma isigubhu nyana
geza ube muhle uthole uvele bahleka ugezeke nje ube muhle nje ugezeke wena yebo
geza nje
uthandeke yes
manje gogo kahle ngathini umzima obuqondene nawe njengoba umlaphi akhona nama-disadvantage okanye ake nje iy'ngqinamba ngazi noma uzongi-understanda
I do understand you zikhona izinto esihlangabezana nakho ngakhuluma ngami njengoba bengithwasa ngilongi ngisebenza e-restaurant whereby there were a lot of tourists and then bantu bethanda ukukuthinta bambe iphandla like what is this and kuyinhlawulo ukubamba ithwasa elifaka ithumane ekhanda so I've experienced that a lot ama-tourists akubamba what is this can you sell it for me those are the things that can turn off idlozi because asibanjwa then when they are inquisitive and they're making money out of it for instance like amabhayi wethu ayenzwa amandiye why thina singawayenzi ingakho mina njengonyoka amanzi I redo amabhayi
okay
sithatheni lento ngoba eyethu abantu abamnyama
ihlale
kithina i-economy iwa kanje it's because of le mali it doesn't fully belong to us it goes back to other countries
wangineka omunye umqondo yasigogo namhlanje bengingawazi kahle abanye abantu laba abasebenzisa manje umsebenzi wenu bewuthatha bezo wabo bawenza ibhizinisi
Benze business and they are not registered, they do not even have a malpractice number. Umuntu mangashonela esigodlweni sakhe, let's say iseflatini kuse-Hillbrow, uthi umelaphi wendabuko, mangashonela lapha nizothini njengomndeni? Because kumele uthole umelaphi wendabuko o-fully registered.
Yeah.
Okhona owaziwayo ku-HTPC yama-Traditional Act. Lokho kuyakunceda kakhulu ukuthi umuntu makashonile so that kukhona nebody bakuncede baku-assiste. Let's say you go to a dodgy place, who is going to assist you? Bakuthathe bakufake emabhodleleni, umndeni wakho ithambo lakho lizolitholaphi. So there are a lot of ama-backdoor sangomas, which they call them sangomas, yes.
Hey, good deep.
Yes, there's a lot of mutilation, there's a lot of human trafficking. It's kuningi nje which is associated with us, of which ngeqinisweni we are not one of those.
Yeah. So wena gogo uhlola ngani ngamathambo
Ngihlola ngamathambo, ngihlola ngekhanda, ngihlola nangamanzi. Ukuthi ufuna yipi option.
Amanzi ngiyaqala
A
ukuzwa.
glass of water and a box of matches namakhandlela awu7. Amhlophe qwa.
Umtshela indaba zakhe.
Ngitshela indaba
Nami nje gogo usuyazazi nje zawo.
Hayi, dala ngaqeda.
Manje ngempela yazi lo mbuzo ngiyafuna ukubuza ukuthi ngempela kuyenzekana ukuthi umuntu umbuke bese indaba zakhe ivele noma kuzomela ukuthi uqale ucele.
Lotho kuyenzeka iphiwo zethu azifani zihlukahlukene njoba ngishilo mina nemutsonga amatsonga kakhulu umndawo into zethu amandawo kakhulu ayafemba which is exorcism fana nomhlahlo per se but not akusinto eyi-1 sengisho ukuthi ngakutshela ukuthi back then 1999 what happened there's kanjalo
Hayi kezakala ngazi gogo kuningi ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuningi okusamela ukukhuluma ungafihli ukhulume ngoba nami ngenze
ukuthi lutho ukuthi ngiyagwema ukuthi ezinye izinto akumelanga ngikhulume ngazo
owakumela ngikhulume ngazo
ziyimfihlo yethu abelaphi bendabuko.
Kodwa noma mhlambe kungekhona ukuthi usuyibeka ngokuthi ukhulume ngazo kodwa ukubeka nje umuntu esithombeni ngoba yazi kwesinye isikhathi uyokuthi uyakhuluma noma uyayibeka into noma uyayifanekisa thola ukuthi imsize omunye umuntu noma ngekhona ukuthi uyakhuluma ngqongqo kodwa isithombe sakho ngoba angifuni uyilimit ngifuna ukukhuluma konke okusenhlizweni nokwaziyo nokucabangayo yabona ukucabangelayo so angifuna ukulimit ngoba nami kuzothi ngizophelelwa imibuzo ukuthi mhlambe ngicine sengingazi ukuthi ngibuza ukuthini kodwa wena kuthi une statement ofuna ukusisho awunankinga ungasikhuluma.
Hayi ikhambe elikhulu engalipha abalaleli namhlanje eliphuma ngizoquota uprof wethu uVVO uBedlindaba Mkhize. Yimina number 1, number 2 uwena, number 3 ibona, number 4 umakhelwane wakho. So ikhambe elikhulu lelo.
Ikhambi. Okay.
Yeah, alikho elidlula lelo. Kumele uzazi imina, uwena, uyena, yibona, umakhelwane.
Okay.
Ikhambe elikhulu kabi ifana neminwe mawukhomba umuntu le ikhomba wena back to you. So mawunga incorporated nayo mawungazazi iqala uzazi mina, wazi wena, ngazi ibona, ngazi umakhelwane uyophila kahle empilweni. You'll never suffer because kumele ube humble umuntu because mawungashela umuzi uzocela kubane ibhakede lamanzi ukuthi akucishise ongamazi umakhelwane. It starts with you.
Okay.
Yes.
Kusho kahle kahle nomuntu ungawufuna ukusebenzisa nani kodwa nawe uyadinga ukulekelelana nawe ukuthi uzazi
philisana nabantu ngeke uphile uyedwa. Because idlozi lingavuka namhlanje lithi lifuna inkomo umuntu ngempela alilethe leyo nkomo uzohlatshelwa ubani uzoncedwa ubani mawungamazi umuntu. So those are the things that we should go back to bases sibuyele emasisweni ungathi umuntu omdala mawugibela ibhasi mhlawumbe iRia Vaya bese wena ngoba uyingane obhadalile naye umuntu omdala obhadala sukuma esihlalweni umuntu omdala ahlale. Go back to that. Akusho ukuthi mawuyisangoma uthwasile you are different to others. You are still the same but yet belu behambula ukudlula wonke umuntu. Ube isibonelo.
Ayi cha kezwakala gogo. Gogo kunomuntu oseKenya, kunomuntu ose-America, kunomuntu ose France. Uzobuza ukuthi ugogo uyahlola ne over the phone noma mhlawumbe uhlola face to face kuphela.
Yeah, sihlole over the phone but we do personal talking chats qala then we see sifune imininingwane yakho, then we do it via video call. That's better.
Okay.
Because angeke uthi efonini uthi uyafona bese ngikwazi ukukuhlolela cha.
Okay.
So kuba a process nakhona.
Ofane ukhona ukuhlola nge-video call?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Cha ngicathi kuyaqondakala kezwakala.
Yeah.
Imithi yakhe ke mhlawumbe noma amakhamba akhe.
Kulena into ebizwa i-DHL na i-Korea.
Okay.
Korea ne-DHL. Kunama Korea services amaningi. Ayaya phesheya nama shipping. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we do use that.
Okay. Hayi kuyacaca gogo nginombuzo la. Njengoba usushilo ukuthi umuntu okude nawe overseas uyakhona ukuthi umhlole nge-video call futhi uyakhona ukuthi umkhoriyele lo makhambi leyo la uma aqondene naleso simo leso noma nalonke. Okay, right. Ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi utholakala ke kuziphi izinkundla zokuxhumana nendawo?
Okay, inkundla zokuxhumana ngizisebenzisa kakhulu, ngisebenzisa just for business i-Facebook, which is Eva Mabaso, and then my email address is evamabaso42@gmail.com, and then into engisebenzisa kakhulu WhatsApp 078 319 6525.
Okay.
Angazi noma ngiyiphinde yini.
Yeah.
078 319 6525, business hours only. Siyabonga.
Okay, so i-call iyatholakala or
Yes, via WhatsApp. Direct call when umele ucele imvumo.
Yeah,
Yes.
WhatsApp.
Yes.
Okay, endawo uthi ukuphi location?
Ngisesoweto eNaledi extension 2.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu. Pick up Naledi Naledi.
Yes, Naledi extension 2.
Pick up extension 2 Naledi. Kulungile, siyabonga kakhulu gogo ukuthi usivashele studio.
Ngiyathokoza.
Siyathemba ukuthi nababukeli bazwile nangelinye ilanga futhi wamukelekile ukuthi uphinde ubuye uzosipha ukudla kwendlela.
Ngizobuya futhi bantu abadala. Ngithokozela.
Thokoza gogo.
Kakhulu kehle.
Mbukeli we-Ecopoint TV, The Call, mina ke nguXolani ke umfuka Shandu, indaba ezitha umthiya usontshikazi ke sengiyaphuma ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke konke okushiwo ugogo kuzokusiza kuzokulekelela ukuthi nawe lapho umbukeli osekhaya ogulayo umzimba ubuthakathaka noma ufisa ulithatha lolu hambo likagogo oluthi alifane nalo lokuthwasa lendlela leyakakiyo usizakele ngokuthi khona okuningi okufundile ngakho ububi nobuhle. Imibuzo engakhona ngiyibuza nengafinyelelanga ukuthi ngicile ngifinyelela kiyo ngizocela ukuthi phansi lapha kuma comment nivumelekile ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi niqhubeke nibuze uzoniphendula ugogo. Mina ke ngumfowabo Shandu indaba ezithi umthiya ke ushota uMatinda niqhamsodidla imadlebe kaNogwaja ozicolo lo mdidada akudakhela ucathi. Sengiyaphuma ke sesiyobonana futhi kwenye episode elandelayo.